Hello business owners, do you want to send a thank you for shopping message on WhatsApp after billing? Like book my show, Go Abibo, Oyo Rooms, GoDaddy, TripAdvisor, H&M, Uber, Zomato. Introducing Range Broadcast by Tiger Vikram. Auto direct WhatsApp message plus auto contact saver. Come, let's check out how it works.
Today we are going to learn what is Range Broadcast, what is direct WhatsApp, what is Range Broadcast API, how to upgrade to premium features of Range Broadcast, how to become reseller, and many more. First go to rangebroadcast.com. This is Range Broadcast official website. Download the trial version of the software. Make sure you download latest version. If any installation issues, just download these three mentioned support files. Okay, let's download and install the software. Great. Installation completes. This is the interface of the software. World's first inbuilt web WhatsApp. Now step 1. Register your business. Click this option to register. Add business phone number. Your business name. I'm adding my business Havana Restaurant. Select business type. Enter city and address. Click register. You have successfully registered for trial version of Range Broadcast. Let's log in with registered phone number and explore the options. After login, you will get the option to add customer phone number. Important. You have to log in with registered number. But you can scan from any of your WhatsApp number to send messages. Even either normal WhatsApp or business WhatsApp. Since I registered for trial, here it's showing upgrade to premium. You can upgrade premium by clicking this option. You can pay through Razorpay or PayPal. Now let's scan web WhatsApp to send messages. As I said before, you can scan from any WhatsApp number. Simply, from which number you scan messages will go from that number. Okay, web WhatsApp logged in. One of the Range Broadcast main feature is direct WhatsApp. What is direct WhatsApp? Direct WhatsApp is sending WhatsApp message without saving number. Well, it's simple. Let's have a quick demonstration. In this area, you can simply enter or paste your customer phone number. As soon they walk in for billing. Once you added phone number inside the software within fraction of second, thank you for shopping message goes to that customer without even saving their number. Since you are a trial user, in the bottom of the message sent via range broadcast appear. Simply upgrade premium subscription to remove this badge anytime in future. Let's try some personalized option. Message sent within fraction of second. This is called direct WhatsApp. Now let's try sending WhatsApp message with customer name. You can change this message content as per your business and need. Let's try some international numbers. Select a number with country code if you are adding phone number with country code. Let's try some other international number. So this is how direct WhatsApp works. Now let's check out Range Broadcast API. This is major future of Range Broadcast to send automated WhatsApp message to your customer by integrating with your billing software, CRM, etc. Click on My API menu here. Log in with registered phone number. Here you will see your API key and instructions to integrate on your applications. You can regenerate your API key anytime. Just make sure you log in desktop application before sending API messages. API messages also delivered as soon you log in desktop application anytime later. Now let's test API using Postman API client. Copy your API key. Paste it here. Here will be recipient phone number. Here will be your message. Just make sure everything is proper and click send button. Records added successfully. You can see API number imported successfully and API message delivered. You can also send formatted message via Range Broadcast API. Since you are trial user, in the bottom of the message sent via Range Broadcast appear. Simply upgrade premium with API access to remove this badge. How to upgrade premium? Click on Upgrade Premium button. Choose the package between direct WhatsApp subscription and with premium API access. Select Payment Gateway Razor Pay for Indian customers and PayPal for international customers. Since I'm purchasing from India, I will choose Razor Pay and make the payment via Google Pay by scanning QR code. Payment successful and received confirmation message. Now let's check the upgrade status by restarting the software. Here you can see my Range broadcast subscription upgraded successfully. Let's just check what is the difference after upgrading to Premium. Direct WhatsApp message going without sent via Range broadcast. Now let's check out Premium Future Auto Contact Saver. This feature is optional, only select this if you want to save your customer phone number automatically. After sending WhatsApp message, this will help your business WhatsApp status to reach more customers once the contact has been saved. Click on the link to Auto Contact Saver. Select your Google account. Read the instruction. It required your permission to write new contacts on Google Contacts. Now your account linked successfully. Open Google Contacts to test it on real time. Now to check this Auto Contact Saver feature, let's enter some unsaved number. You can see just added number has been saved automatically. How to send bulk WhatsApp? Don't spam. Please read terms before using this option. Use only to your customer for sending important notification. Read this carefully if you are sending multiple countries. Click on Import Notepad numbers. Select Notepad file which contains phone numbers. Click Save. Once you click Save, message will start sending one by one according to your delay setting. Default delay is 10 sec after 5 messages. Operation successfully completed. How to become reseller? If you want purchase more than one account or you want sell range broadcast to your customers, you can purchase bulk subscription at exclusive price. Just click on Become Reseller. Log in with your Gmail account. You can see there is two plan: Direct WhatsApp Reseller and Airbay API Reseller. Choose whichever plan you want. Pay through Razorpay or PayPal. Once the payment is done, your reseller account balance reflects here. Simply activate subscription from this button to your customer. Now you customer can use all premium feature just by logging in. You can see just added account from reseller panel is now premium. What you waiting for? Download the Range broadcast and get started for free.